Welcome to our channel. Did you know that what you eat could be overloading your liver, leaving you feeling tired and low on energy? In this video, we're going to reveal the best foods that can naturally cleanse your liver, restore your health, and boost your vitality. If you're experiencing bloating, constant fatigue, or have heard of fatty liver, stick around until the end. The tips I'm about to share could transform your health. Imagine if, with just simple changes to your diet, you could feel more energized, improve your digestion, and even speed up weight loss. If that sounds like something you're after, this video is for you. We'll explore easy-to-find foods that can make all the difference. Ready to find out how to give your liver the reset it deserves? Then keep watching to discover how these foods can become your powerful allies in the quest for better health and wellness. The importance of the liver. The liver is one of the most important organs in our body and plays a vital role in your overall health. It's responsible for filtering toxins, metabolizing fats, and producing bile, which aids in digestion. In other words, the liver is like a cleaning powerhouse that keeps everything running smoothly. But when it's overloaded due to a poor diet or excess toxins, you may start feeling symptoms like fatigue, bloating, and even difficulty losing weight. Have you experienced any of these symptoms? Often, they're signs that your liver needs a break and some extra help to function better. This is where the right foods come into play. In this video, we'll explore exactly which foods can help lighten the load and give your liver the support it needs to work more efficiently. Common problems related to liver overload. When the liver is overloaded, whether from excess toxins or a nutrient-poor diet, the signs show up in our bodies. Issues like fatty liver, poor digestion, abdominal bloating, and even that constant feeling of tiredness can result from a liver that isn't operating at its best. If you're struggling to lose weight, constantly feel fatigued, or have digestive problems, your liver might be crying out for help. The good news is, by adding the right foods into your routine, you can ease the burden on your liver and start noticing a big improvement in your health. Today, I'll show you which foods can do that in a simple and natural way. Top 7 foods that cleanse the liver. Now let's get to what you really came for, the best foods to help naturally cleanse your liver. Each of these foods has incredible properties that can give your liver the support it needs to function better and detoxify your body. 1. Garlic. Small but mighty, garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping to flush out toxins. Plus, it's rich in selenium, an essential mineral for protecting the liver. 2. Beets. Rich in antioxidants and fiber, beets help boost the production of glutathione, an enzyme essential for liver detoxification. They also improve blood flow and aid in toxin elimination. 3. Lemon. This citrus fruit is great for stimulating bile production, which is essential for fat digestion. Additionally, lemon's vitamin C helps the body synthesize toxins into substances that can be easily eliminated. 4. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale. Vegetables like broccoli and kale are packed with compounds that increase the production of detoxification enzymes in the liver, promoting a more efficient cleanse. 5. Green tea. Loaded with antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps improve liver function and protect the liver from toxin-induced damage. 6. Avocado. In addition to being rich in healthy fats, avocados also contain glutathione, which helps protect the liver from toxic overload. 7. Turmeric. This powerful natural anti-inflammatory helps repair damaged liver cells and improves bile production, making it easier to eliminate toxins. Incorporating these foods into your daily routine will help your liver carry out its detoxifying functions more efficiently. And the best part, these foods are easy to find and can be included in various recipes. How to include these foods in your daily routine. Now that you know the best liver cleansing foods, let's talk about how to include them in your routine in a practical and tasty way. You don't need to make major changes to your diet. You can start with simple steps. For example, how about adding garlic to your daily recipes? You can sauté it in olive oil and use it as a base for soups, sauces, and vegetables. Another idea is to prepare a detox juice with beets and lemon in the morning, which is not only refreshing but also gives your liver a detox boost. For tea lovers, a cup of green tea throughout the day can be a great habit, as it's full of antioxidants that support liver health. And when making a salad, try adding cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or kale, which are easy to steam or even eat raw. If you enjoy smoothies, try blending avocado with a bit of turmeric and lemon. Not only is it delicious, but this combo is excellent for giving your liver some extra support. With these simple ideas, you can give your body the right nutrients and support your liver's health every day. Benefits of cleansing the liver. Now that you know which foods are ideal for cleansing the liver and how to incorporate them into your daily routine, let's talk about the incredible benefits this can bring to your health. When you give your liver the right nutrients, it works more efficiently to eliminate toxins from the body. This means you might start to notice more energy, as a healthy liver promotes a faster metabolism. Additionally, many of you will experience improved digestion and less bloating, as the liver plays a crucial role in breaking down fats and producing bile. A healthier liver can also reflect in your skin, as efficient detoxification helps remove impurities that can cause acne or dull skin. And let's not forget the impact on weight loss. When the liver is functioning well, it helps burn fat more efficiently, which can make the weight loss process easier. If you're looking for more vitality, lighter digestion, and even a boost in weight control, these foods could be the key to improving your health naturally. Myths about liver cleansing. Before we wrap up, let's clear up some common myths about liver cleansing. You've probably heard of extreme diets or miracle products that promise to detox your liver in just a few days, right? The truth is, the liver is naturally capable of detoxifying itself and doesn't need extreme solutions to work well. Restrictive diets or juice cleanses can actually harm your body by depriving it of essential nutrients. Another common myth is that we only need to worry about liver health if we're experiencing severe symptoms. In reality, liver overload can happen silently, which is why continuously including healthy foods in your diet is crucial. There's no need for drastic cleanses. The key is a balanced diet rich in nutrients that support liver function every day. So, avoid quick fixes and focus on simple, consistent changes. With the right foods and a balanced diet, you can ensure long-term liver health without relying on miracle products or extreme eating plans. Now that you know the best foods to cleanse and protect your liver, it's time to put these tips into action. If you're ready to transform your health and give your body the care it deserves, start incorporating these foods into your routine today. Small changes can lead to big results. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep learning how to improve your health in simple and natural ways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss a video. And share this video with someone you know who could benefit from these tips. Oh, and let me know in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat or are excited to try? Let's go on this journey together for better health and wellness.